Hey, y'all.
This bitch over here fucking.
Hey, you gotta get off the phone with this shit real quick.
Because you wanna fucking block some fucking house.
Bitch, you always.
Yeah. Oh Lord, Jesse made another I need a nasty little bitch. Poking when she walk past me, little bitch. Yeah, I need a nasty little bitch. Smart mouth, real sassy little bitch. Yeah,
I need a real hood nigga.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today is Vlogmas Day 6. I put up 5, but it's 6. I had got my hair done and stuff yesterday. I'm pretty sure that I vlogged that. So today, today's like a regular like errand day. Like I'm about to go to the store, like to get, you know, some toiletries and stuff. I gotta stock up on some things. I gotta get some more Lysol plugins, some candle wax. There's some other stuff that I gotta do too. I gotta go grocery shopping because I'm about to be meal prepping. I know it's like a Vlogmas, it's the holidays and you're meal prepping. Yes, honey, I need to get right and tight for my birthday next year. I know I gained so much weight this year, like too much weight. And it's crazy how much weight that I gained that I didn't even really pay attention to. So it's like now I gotta get to it. So yeah, I'm on my way to the store. I wanna get my eyebrows done, but I don't know if my eyebrow lady is there. Cause I need to get these eyebrows started because they too messy now. They're messy. And yeah, but I'll be back on here in a second when I get in my car to the store. So y'all, I went to this Target and came and went. I didn't even go in because there's too many people here. And I hate when I go to a store and it's like a million people here. When I can tell because like normally when I come here around certain times, it's not packed like this, like at all. It don't be packed like this. Like it's like the parking lot is super full. Where people don't park, motherfuckers parking at. I'm like, oh yeah, this place is too full. What the fuck are you doing? Oh. Normally where motherfuckers parking at, people just parking at. I'm not finna be up in that bitch like that. Like that's how. So I'm finna go to my motherfucking best friend's house. See what this bitch is doing. So I can go to the grocery store. But yeah, like that's fucking crazy to me. I don't like going to stores anyway when they be like, when they be packed out. Like, I don't like that because there's Corona going on and it's hella people and shit like that. Like, I don't like that. It's too many people. Y'all look like I got punched in the eye right here. And it's been looking like that, like, almost for, like, 6 months now. And it's because I be having, like, bad, like, breakouts on my face. I be getting bad breakouts. This bitch is crazy. Anyway, y'all, we in the neighborhoods. We in Blue Diamond, like this nice ass area in Vegas.
Yeah.
We looking at some houses. Well, shit, we was looking at some motherfucking houses. Don't turn out. Why you want to know what I look like?
Cause it's homie right
Don't worry about it.
Nah, fuck that.
What happened to that crazy ass New York nigga?
That
Oh
mother-
my fucking god, I'm just fucking ghetto.
Nah, we about to turn in here. They gonna be like, this bitch is
On bloods.
oh she with her nigga.
Oh shit.
So we going into different neighborhoods, y'all, looking at their Christmas lights and shit.
Ain't shit over here.
Nah, we finna get up in here though.
Why I feel like ever since I was choking, like I just my
It's the
throat
weather.
fucked up.
It's the weather. It's the weather. Roll your window up, bitch, for they hear us. And be like, these motherfuckers trying to scope our houses to rob us.
Something like that. Hey, you
Anyway,
think they got money
y'all.
over here?
Bitch, yeah, we in Blue Diamond. What the fuck?
Hey, hold up, I'm about to call the homies real quick. Hey, can I use your phone?
Hell no.
We about to make this lick. Is you with it or what?
No, I'm not. You're ghetto.
Now I am not fucking ghetto, bitch. Cause
YouTube.
you're talking about fucking.
Please,
fucking lick.
YouTube. It's not me.
Oh my god, I forgot you're on there.
She's fucking crazy. We looking at these houses, y'all. This is the Christmas light show. Wait, where do they do Christmas light shows at? Oh, we should have went down that way.
It's nice over there.
Yeah, bitch. We all the way by the fucking mountains
Why are you
now.
staring at me?
They do that shit in like Rockefeller Center.
Oh yes, I'm taking a trip to New York. Fuck all of that
they,
shit.
don't they wait. Don't they have that little Christmas little drive thingy by the chocolate factory? It's like no, the
Is
Sunset
it open
Park.
now?
It should be.
Oh, we finna go over there then.
You wanna go over there right now? That would be so awesome.
Yeah, we gotta look at how.
Santa, yay!
What the fuck?
Santa, yay! No, it's fine.
Bitch, what's wrong with your stupid ass? This stupid ass person.
This bitch just rolled down the motherfucking window. You gonna hop out in traffic. You don't play with hoodies. Oh, you see the dog?
Oh, look at this house, yo. Look at this house, yo. Straight Crip Street.
Me on a fucking bill.
Crip Street. Look at us. Alright.
Oh, look at the snowman.
Tonight, what snowman? Alright, so we finna go to Sunset Park, y'all. This bitch.
No, just fucking. Are you really gonna post this?
Yeah, I am.
Edit everything that I'm on.
They can't see you, it's dark. I wonder if that car's still following me.
What are you talking about following you? That white man?
Yeah.
He like black girls?
Nah, they be suspicious over here like this the niggas.
No, I remember because when I went to my stepdad's house and I went across the street to go text, this white man gonna come to my car talking about, can you move? If you don't live here, you need to move because we be having problems around here. Like, bitch, I'll beat your fucking ass. Huh?
I'll be like, you better get the fuck away from my car.
Babe, are you playing a game?
You better get the fuck away from my
Hello?
car. Do you wanna
Yeah,
ride?
I met him at the airport. Yeah, he like boys too.
Who like boys?
The guy I'm on the phone with.
What you mean you
Like
like boys? You gay?
Yeah, he gay.
He's on mute, bitch.
What? He like boys. I met him at the airport. But he go by the name of Hoodie.
Bye, bitch.
Yeah, Hoodie's kind of gay.
Really? Yeah, we should have went in there. They ain't that great.
He probably like your boyfriend.
It's on you, bitch.
Hello?
It's on you. You got him on mute.
Hello. That's not no normal weed. That's some OG Kush. That's some OG Cali Kush, baby daddy.
My best friend.
No, it's fucking bitches. Huh? I actually saw some weed that was called Hoodie. Hoodie. I don't think it would be good though.
I heard there's some shit called Sharp Light out there.
Huh?
It's like a strain from this shit else with Sharp Light.
Yeah, whatever.
He probably dead ass serious too.
No, he talking shit. So we're out here and we're vlogging.
Bitch, come on.
We're not looking for Christmas lights. We're actually looking for niggas. I'm just playing. I'm just fucking playing. I'm just playing.
I have to edit all this shit out. Hey y'all, so I'm just back home right now. I just got back home. It's like 8 something at night. Ain't much to do. My best friend, she got, 30 kids or whatever. So ain't much for us to do. We can do shit, but like, not right now. Gotta wait till she's kinda kid free for us to get out. So I'm solo dolo at the moment. We might do a mukbang or like truth or dare or something. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm finna just chill. I just put in a load of clothes. I'm washing clothes. I went to Walgreens before I came home because I ran out of clothing detergent. I needed to get that and some more soap. I use Dr. Bronner soap for my body and stuff. Well, not my clothes. I use Tide for my clothes, but my body, I ran out of Dr. Bronner soap, and like that soap is like the holy grail for me. I try not to use it all the time because it does strip the moisture from your skin, I feel like. But it's still like a good body wash to use. Still a real good body wash to use. And yeah, that's my shit. I think I'm gonna do a mukbang soon. Maybe we could do like a seafood mukbang or like, something like that. I don't know. I gotta see. I don't know, but yeah, I'm just at home right now, y'all. It's like a boring day today. I woke up last night. I was not feeling last night. I was so frustrated yesterday. I did not even want to record like that. So I was at Beaches. I don't even think I recorded what my food looked like. Only recorded my appetizer. But yesterday was not today. I need to start posting more frequent. Hopefully VLOGMAS gets me in the spirit to want to post more frequently, because I do not post enough, like, at all. At all. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.
Fall, touch your toes, then I'm throwing 50K. Hey. Splash Brothers, whoa, we just landed in the bay. Look at the way that I be pushing it.